Hi, in this session we are going to continue with the visuals, and we have many features today. So I divided the session to many slicers. So let's start. I will do some arrangement for our cards. So let me make it smaller. Okay, this is the planned percentage. This is August 14 progress percentage. And let me get another card. Okay, let me copy and paste this one, and I will remove this one, and I will put October 13 progress. Okay, this is the one, October 13 progress. Okay, so this is now we have the planned percentage, October 13 progress, and August 14. Now we will start with the slicers. Let me get first a slicer, and we will get from the code table, we will get this tower number. Okay, so let's get tower description, and let me make this one horizontal slicer. Okay, so this is the first subject, horizontal slicer. Okay, and horizontal, it shows the filters like buttons. Okay, so if I hit podium, this will give me the progress of the podium planned, October 13 progress and August 14 progress. Testing and commissioning is the same, tower 3 and tower 4, so it is interactive. So this is the first slicer. The second slicer is the vertical one. So let me get another slicer, and in this one I will use floor number. So I will take from the code table the floor number. Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, let me take this, make some arrangement, and actually, yeah, these are the floors. Let me make bigger space for this because I have too many floors. Yes, so these are my floors. So I can get the progress now for bare floor. As you see, it is interactive. It calculates the progress in my cards. Okay, so the third slicer is the drop down. So let me get the CSI codes. Okay, so these are my CSI code. Okay, and now it is vertical, but it take a big space, so I will make it drop down. So as you see, I can just drop it down, see whatever I want. For example, if I need the doors, okay, this is the bridge for the doors and windows, this is the BMS, this is the metal, and this is what else? Sanitary, for example. Okay, so this is the four filters. Okay, the fourth filters is for the date. So I will take new filter. I will take the start date from here. Okay, and now I can just filter by the start date. So if I choose this one, now this will give me the progress in a certain period. Okay, so these are my filters: vertical, horizontal, drop down, and dates. So these are the full filters that I'm going to use in my dashboard. Okay, and they are linked to our cards. Let me make it all with a yellow background. So yes, these are the four filters. Okay, for one of the problems now that, for example, in the floor description, the order is not correct. I need the floors to be in order. So let me see my data. If I go to the code table, so this code floor table, yes, I can see that this order is okay, but my slicer is not shown like that. So how to fix this? To fix this, I can go to home, then I go to Power Query, and let me get my table. So this is the floor table, and I can now just add column and hit index column. So now I'm hitting index. So this is the order that I want. Okay. Now I have new column called index. Okay. Let me go to home, close and apply. And this column will appear now in my table. So this is the order that I want. If I go to my data, sorry, my visuals, I want you to look here. Okay. and if I go to choose the column, so now in my tables, let me go to choose the floor description and hit sort by. Look here, I need you to look here, sort by index. So see, now the order is fixed. So this is how to fix the order. Third subject with us today is the two-way relationships. Okay, so as you can see here that these slicers are not linked together, so they are not affecting each other. Okay, so if we hit, for example, tower 3 doesn't have basement, tower 4 doesn't have basement, the podium doesn't have 20th floors. Okay, so they are not linked. If we go to the relationships, okay, we will find that there is no direct relation between the code tables. Okay, so the tower number, for example, is not linked to the floor code table. Okay, however, they are linked through the task table. Okay, so if we check the relationship, okay, if we open this one, you find that it is single direction, and the other one is a single direction as well. Fine. If we change this to both and change the other one as well to both, so both directions, okay, let me go back to my visuals and show you the impact. So now if I hit the podium, it will give me only the podium floors. Okay, if I hit the tower 3, it give me only the tower 3 floors, tower 4 floors, okay, which is only 11th floors. Tower 3 has 20 floors, podium have from basement 4 to podium 4. So they are now interactive. The test commissioning doesn't have floors. So they are now interactive. What about the CSI? So the podium, just let me make it a list. Okay, to show you the list of CSI, and just let me just make some arrangement. So here you can see that there is no impact. There's no relation. Okay, again, because the CSI relation is not linked to the floor table, and the CSI relation is only one way. So now I made it two ways, and this one, let's make it two ways, and for all codes, let's make it two ways. Choose both directions. Let me go back to my visuals, and now if I hit podium, it gives me only the CSI in podium. This is the system commissioning, tower 3 CSI, tower 4 CSIs. So they are now interactive all together. So here, now how it works. Despite there is no direct relationship between the codes, but the Power BI, through this relationship, go to this table and see, for example, if I hit tower 3, it only filters the activities of tower 3 and check how many floors in tower 3, and through the second relation, this one, okay, it give me only how many floors in tower 3. Okay, so indirectly link between the code tables through the task table. I hope this will be clear. And this is the difference between single direction and both directions. Fine. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, we finished the slicers and we finished both directions. These are very important features, and see you next session.